go.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do a review of Vtopmart 7-piece airtight food storage container. The set includes one tall container, two medium containers, two small containers and two mini containers. And these are perfect for storing pasta, noodles, chocolates, lentils, biscuits, flowers and even coffee and tea. These containers came with really safe and good shipping packages, and the first impression upon opening these containers was quite good. You can pull the lid off easily with a little force, and the seals of this lid are airtight, durable and replaceable. The lids have sealing strips that protect all contents from insects and moisture. The design and flip-top quality of the cap was also flexible, durable and easy to pull. These containers are made of high-quality BPA-free material, and they also passed the FDA test with flying colors. The lids have a groove design that helps to arrange the boxes on top of each other to save space in the kitchen and other areas. If there was a hole under the cap of the lid, then pouring contents would have been a lot easier from the container. And the container is made of durable plastic and are reusable, so you can switch the contents whenever you need, and as a bonus, they're also watertight. To pour into the container, simply remove the lid and tilt it or pull the cap on top of the cover. After pouring, insert the lid on top and flip the ring down to lock and seal. When closing the lid, wipe down the lower portion as you don't want to get any water or moisture in any of these seals. The plastic of this container is very clear, and I can identify the contents without even opening them. As a result, I can easily see what I have and how much I have of each of the items. As you guys know from the previous videos, I run a durability test on every product I review, and so I also did a durability test on this product too, and it passed the test wonderfully. Overall, the containers keep my food fresh for quite a long time, and the airtight seals prevent any spills or leaks. They are also dishwasher friendly and stackable, which saves me a lot of time to arrange my kitchen and pantry. So I highly recommend these containers to anyone looking for a practical and reliable solution to their food storage problem.